Hey everyone, Michael here, and today I'm going to talk about how to increase conversion rate on your Shopify e-commerce store and as well as on your Facebook advertising. And it's going to revolve around what is called a UGC, which also known as user generated content. This is the asset that you get from your current customer base, like reviews and testimonials or even photos of your customers wearing your product. Now, this is one of the most powerful assets that you can get from your customers because people who go to your store who don't know you yet don't know if they can trust your store and site when they put their credit card information. But if you have that proof from your current customer base who just totally loves what they're buying, then that conversion becomes easy. So that is what we'll be talking about today. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. So with that, let's get into this. All right, so UGC or user generated content basically means getting asset from your current email list. And the easiest way to do this is via email. You can basically email your customer list and ask for a review and testimonial. And you can break it down to 3 different parts. The first email can basically ask about how is the product? Are you enjoying the product, etc. Then ask for that photo or testimonial. All right. Now, the second email, you can bribe them. You can give them a discount in return for that testimonial. And if they did not send you a testimonial at this point, you can email the third email and basically show other testimonials or other happy customers. So this gives them a feeling that they're not the only ones submitting these reviews. All right, so just set up these 3 basic emails and send them out. And you can do this via your email provider just by setting up an easy automation for these emails to go out. Now, another way is to install apps. An app called Looks is a very powerful app because it has built-in features to simply ask for your customers to submit that photo through the app. And when you get reviews coming in, you can integrate this on your product page or create a page called Happy Customers. Because when people who go to your site, and if you have these set up, customers can see other people wearing that product, or even if you're doing drop shipping, you can show different people using that product as well. And that will also bring a sense of credibility to your store. And with this app, the emails are built in as well. And you can find this app right in the Shopify App Store or by going to tiny.ie/looks. All right, so Looks is a pretty good app that simplifies the process to get photos from your customers. Now, the best time to ask for a review is when your customers first receive that product. So when you are sending these emails out, make sure you time it correctly. For POD, you're looking at around 10 days. That is including production. And with drop shipping, you might be looking at 3 weeks or even 4 just to be safe. Because you don't want your emails to go out before your customers receive that product. Especially if you're doing drop shipping and your customer waited for 3 weeks and they get this email saying, how are you enjoying that product? They won't be very happy, right? So definitely time it correctly if you're doing this type of model. But you definitely should think about how to generate that user-generated content because it's really powerful in marketing when you can show other people using that product of yours. Now, after you receive your testimonials and photos, you can actually use this on your ad. So not only are you getting conversions on your site, you're actually getting higher click-through rate on your ad as well when you're using user-generated content on your ad. Now, this can be for cold traffic or even retargeting. And especially retargeting, it works really well. All right, so that is user generated content. You should definitely look into this if you don't have this set up already, because this is definitely a game changer and it will increase your conversion rate if done right. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below. Also, let me know what you want to see on my next video and I'll get that done for you. All right, so take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you on the next one.